We are pleased to show you the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, running boards, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, trip odometer, power brakes, compass, clock, cargo area light. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.